Hi guys, good day. We're here now at Royal Prince Aesthetics and kasama natin ang owner na si Sir Prince Jeffrey Hernandez. Hello po sir, good morning.
Hello guys, good morning. So I'm Royal Prince and welcome to our search of Mr. and Miss Opagalo here in Festival Mall, Alabang.
Alright, so let's talk about your business po sir. For how long na po ba ito nag-exist?
So currently ang Royal Prince is 6 years old now and we started way back 2018 and now we have 11 branches nationwide. Actually yung inopen namin before is 15 pero nagsarado kami ng 4 dun sa mga standalone. Niremain na lang namin yung mga SM Mall branches and festival malls.
So other than this, meron pa kayo sa outside SM Supermalls?
Yes, we have in SM Calamba, SM Santa Rosa, SM Dasma, SM Tanza, SM Fairview, Festival Mall, Centro Mall Lemery, Balayan, Nasugbu. I forgot the two. Ayun, but anyway, it's 11 branches.
11 branches na yung nag-exist ngayon.
Yes, and currently we are offering non-surgical, surgical treatment, and product as well. And ito yung bago naming company which is the Opaglow, which we're gonna launch it now. We're focusing more on Korean cosmetics and face care.
Alright, so let's talk about your personal life, sir. Paano po kayo na engage into business? Ano po yung dati yung ginagawa sa buhay?
Alright, I used to work in Singapore in Prada as a stylist. Okay, fashion stylist. And then I decided to go back in Philippines para mag-put up ng negosyo. Kasi since mahilig talaga ako mag-alaga ng sarili ko, I don't want to get old fast. So I want to maintain it and to retain it. So I decided to put up a business na magko-complement din sa akin na hindi ko na kailangan gumastos. So I choose to have aesthetic clinic. So I gathered a few doctors, surgeon, and cosmetic doctors. So yun, nabuo namin yung concept ng Royal Prince where we focus all types of aesthetic improvement talaga. And as you've noticed naman sa mga Facebook namin and social medias, nakikita agad yung result instantly talaga. Mabilis. Kasi yung mga brand namin is from Spain and Germany. Yeah.
Alright. Talking to the services and products of your company, of course, ano po yung pinakaunang product na nilaunch nyo dito?
Yung first product is the Opaglow soap which is naging successful naman. Sobrang mura niya. It's only 89 pesos lang. Ang nagpo-focus kami doon sa darkening. Alam mo naman sa Pilipinas talaga, kalaban natin Asian is yung pangingitim. So nag-formulate kami ng mga high-end materials para makakreate ng sabon na mas mabilis magpaputi without damaging your skin. Kaya sumunod doon, nag-formulate naman kami ng sun mist which is the oxygen. Ito is a spray mist para hindi nakakatamad i-apply yung sunblock. Kasi we all know na kapag ang sunblock is malagkit, nakakatamad i-apply. So nag-formulate kami ng water base with glutathione and with SPF 50. So far naging successful siya. Sa mga branches pa lang ng Royal Prince na sold out na agad siya. And may parating kaming bagong product which is the HA. Ito yung hyaluronic acid na sunblock din pero iniinom na.
Wow.
So hindi mo na kailangan i-apply especially when you go to the beach na talagang you keep on applying and it takes time also consuming. So bakit hindi na lang natin inumin, di ba? So with the 2 capsule a day, covered ka na the whole day sa sun damage. Parating siya actually this July.
Wow.
So I think it's the first time in the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken, na magkakaroon ng oral sunblock kasi mostly galing to Australia yung ibang brand. Pero first to sa Opaglow soap.
Wala po bang any Pinoy products na meron dito sa Royal Prince?
Pinoy products. Kasi we focusing on talaga abroad talaga yung
International.
oo, para talagang quality yung although okay naman yung mga produkto sa Pilipinas, it's just that ang concept kasi is Korean. So, and alam naman natin, Korea and Japan are one of the best in advanced technology when it comes to aesthetic. So, doon tayo naka-follow.
Talking to the name of your business naman, saan po ito nanggaling?
Oh, that's a nice question. No? So, my name kasi is Prince.
Uh-huh.
So, and then medyo mahilig ako sa mga magagandang bagay, sa mga royalty style and design. So, I decided to put up together yung royal and my name. So, it became Royal Prince Aesthetic.
Kasi when we heard about Royal Prince kasi parang yung Korean na na drama, 'di ba? Sa GMA, yun, nare-recall namin pag sinabing Royal Prince. So very noticeable sa mga audiences natin.
Exactly. And ang dali niyang matandaan talaga, Royal Prince. I used to join pageant before. Way back 15 years ago, 20 years ago, because I'm already 38 now. But then, nung nagtrabaho ako, medyo nalosyang tayo kasi we keep on hitting the target. So, hindi mo na tulungan yung sarili mo na i-maintain. Thank God kasi dumating si Royal Prince. So, naibalik ko ulit yung looks ko. So, most of my friends, akala nila mga 20 plus daw ako, 23, 26. Lahat yan from Royal Prince yan.
Wow. Yeah. Any advice po sa mga gustong maging katulad nyo rin po?
Especially sa mga youngsters, yung may tawagin dyan. So, most of them tinatamad mag-wash ng face bago matulog. That's one of the most important factor na dapat gawin para maiwasan yung acne. Kasi pag hindi ka naglilinis ng muka, may bacteria. And the whole night kasama mo sila, kaya nag-start yung acne. So, pag nagka-acne ka, nag-start ng deep scars. Sunod-sunod na. So, talagang kailangan alagaan mo yung face mo, laging malinis. And the best advice is to drink a lot of water.
So more water, Mars?
More water at lagi kayong matutulog ng tamang oras.
Matulog? Hindi 1 hour natulog lang. 8 hours dapat, sir, no?
7 will do, pero 8 is better.
Alright. Sige.
Hi, sir. So having said that, you have been into pageantry as well before. Can you give us an idea about the main mission and vision of Royal Prince that the people will be able to is it something beneficial to the people?
Actually, to retain the beauty, the youthful appearance, kasi yun naman ang gusto ng lahat, di ba? Ayaw natin tumanda agad. So I think that's our main goal, to make everyone beautiful as much as we can, to prolong the ageless, kumbaga. So, yun. Very important sa amin. Kasi age-defying ang Royal Prince eh. Magaling kami sa pagpapabata talaga.
So, ano po yung pinaka, if ever po tatanungin ka ng isang beauty queen ngayon or yung sumasali sa pageant na lalaki o babae, ano yung pinaka services na pwede mong i-offer sa kanya?
Marami kaming treatment na talagang sa Royal Prince lang meron. Personalize yung treatment namin. We combine different treatments para talagang mapabata yung skin and matighten yung elasticity. Kasi kapag nag-start na mag-loose yung skin texture mo, doon na nagsisimulang umidad ang isang tao. So what we always do is to tighten up and to create a V-contouring para laging mas bata tingnan. So we have all the technologies para magawa yan.
You mentioned earlier that you have some branches already in the SM Malls. We're having now the search for Mr. and Miss Opaglo. Does this mean that we're still planning to expand, which is at least we could be able to reach more people like provinces in the Visayas, Mindanao? Do we have plans to reach people from these areas?
Yes, of course, kasi expanding din yung company. And as you know, for only 6 years, we managed to open 15 branches. So expanding kami to Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And hopefully, soon, madala din namin yung Opaglo sa Visayas and Mindanao. And maybe international. Kasi may mga offered na rin kami from Dubai and Thailand.
Alright. Sir, talking to Mr. and Miss Opaglo, could you please tell us about the qualifications you're looking for?
Sabi nga ni Direk, yung isa sa mga judge, siya yung nagko-coach kasi hindi taga ako magaling sa mga ganyan, sa pageant. However, sabi niya, maganda yung magugustuhan, mamahalin ng tao. Yun yung hinahanap namin. Kasi given na yung beauty eh. Kahit naman sino, maganda. Pero yung mamahalin ka sa unang tingin, tatata ka sa utak nila, yun ang hinahanap namin.
So, Otherwise, personality.
personality. And of course, medyo connected doon sa team which is Korean. Opa, di ba? Ayun.
So, ito po bang Opa Glow search? Is it a typical pageant or a modeling pageant?
Actually, it's very exciting kasi tuturuan namin yung mga bata na hindi lang pumasok sa pageant industry and modeling pero also kumita. Kasi ililink namin lahat yung mapipili sa mga social media selling ads namin like TikToks, Yellow Basket. So lahat sila magkaka-commissions with and then may mga projects na ibibigay ang Royal Prince. And we all know naman na pag napili ka under Royal Prince, lahat ng mukha mo lalabas yan sa lahat ng SM malls. And we always have billboards then, especially in EDSA, C5, Alabang. Actually, dati dito may billboard kami dyan sa SLEX, yung malaki dyan na Opa Glow. So yun, we're planning to put it back kapag nakapili kami. So it's really a big opportunities sa mga bata.
Alright. Ano naman po, regarding sa mga mapapanalunan nila or prizes ng winners, meron na po ba kung how much?
Currently, hindi ko ma-sure pa, pero nag-uusap yung team na 100,000. And also, ang shoot natin gaganapin sa Boracay or Palawan. And pag-handle yan ng Royal Prince, lahat ng enhancement, mapa-surgical man yan, you know, all expenses by Royal Prince when it comes to, kasi may disco bar din ako and food park. So yun, laging welcome sila doon.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Question regarding po sa pageant. How many winners can we expect? Is it like one from Miss and one from Mr. or do we have runner-ups to represent the brand as well?
Oh, perfect question, no? Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng faces every 3 months, may ilo-launch na mukha. Let's say January to March, itong couple na to. And then April to July, ito naman. So, nakafocus lang kami sa boosting puro sa kanila. So, I think pipili kami ng mga at least 5 girls and 5 male. So, kaya may batch po ito. This is the first batch. Hopefully, magkaroon tayo ng second batch.
So this is also to connect as well what you have said earlier that everyone will be given an opportunity to earn. That's why you're having like models from January to March. Then
Yes. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. Kasi magkakaroon din ang Opa Glow ng, actually, hindi ko pa sana sasabihin, it's a make-up na complete set na. Tuturuan natin yung tao kung paano yung step by step under Opa Glow yan. So, napakadami pong mga products na ilo-launch ng Opa Glow.
So I'm just confused because we're talking about products. Does this mean that these candidates na mapipili natin or mapipili nyo will undergo such activities for them to enhance to upskill as well?
Actually, pag napili namin yung mga candidates, no, i-handle ng management team namin yan. So, magkakaroon sila ng projects. Isa sa mga activities nga agad is yung photoshoot agad yan. Sasabak agad yan sa photoshoot. Maybe here in Quezon City. And then, lipad kami ng I think, Boracay or El Nido, Palawan. Kasi yung OPA, especially mga products is sunblock So, more on summer vibe. So, dapat doon. Kaya pumipili kami ng makinis din at talagang maganda din yung body figure. Well, not only that, kasi may mga soap naman kami for face. So, we cater all naman. Beauty and body.
To sum up, can you please introduce yourself and then invite everyone to where they can follow you and invite them with your services?
Oh, thank you. So, I'm Prince Hernandez, the owner of Royal Prince Group of Companies. So, I'm inviting you guys to witness the first Mr. and Miss Opa Glow Soap Philippines 2024. Sobrang dami pong pasabog na gagawin. This is under Royal Prince Company. So, it's really exciting, especially yung personality ko kasi parang bagets-bagets pa So, parang nakukuha ko yung mga gusto ng mga kabataan ngayon. Ayun guys, so marami pa pong kayong dapat abangan na products and services from Royal Prince and Opa Glow.
Alright, thank you so much, sir, and congratulations for the successful of your business.
And thank you guys for coming here today so much.
Thank you.
you.